Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about object-oriented programming. Let's start our class. Object-oriented programming in Python is a programming paradigm that uses objects and classes to organize code. This approach is designed to be more modular, easier to manage, and closer to real-world concepts. We will see difference between object-oriented and procedural-oriented. Object-oriented focuses on objects that represent both and the methods that operate on that data. Procedural oriented focuses on functions or procedures to operate the data. Object oriented code is organized into classes and objects. Procedural oriented achieved through functions and sometimes modules. Object oriented data and methods are encapsulated within objects. Procedural oriented code is organized into procedures or functions. Key concepts of OOPS: classes and objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. We will see each one with examples in coming classes.